Good day everyone. So for today, let me share with you on how to create another disk. So kindly click disk utility and then click continue. And then after that, you will be prompted here. So kindly click the first disk here, that one on the left side, and then click erase. Once done, kindly create a name for your disk. So let's say, for example, the name of my disk is Mac OS. And then after that, click erase on the right side, bottom portion, and then click erase once again. And then let us wait for it to be fully loaded. And here we go. So now let's click quit disk utility. And then now let's go back to reinstall OS X. Now that we already created the disk, you may now reinstall OS X, but make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi first. So kindly connect to your Wi-Fi and then kindly log in there. So after that, kindly click try again. So let me check if I'm already connected to Wi-Fi. So click try again, and then after that, kindly click continue. Once done, we may now go to the installation of our OS X. So let's continue. We can read this one, and then once you already done reading this, or you can just simply scroll down, and then after that, kindly click the agree button, and then let's continue. And here, as you can see, we already created the disk where we can install the OS X. So that's the disk that we already have. And then click install, and then continue, and then let us wait for about 2 to 3 hours for the OS X to be fully installed in the disk that we created.